In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint to Dropbox. This process is straightforward and will help you store and share your presentations easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You might use Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. As you type Dropbox in the search bar, you will see a list of search results. It is crucial to click on the correct link that directs you to the official Dropbox website. This ensures that you are accessing the right platform and not a misleading site. Once you are on the Dropbox homepage, you will notice a clean interface designed for easy navigation. Next, you need to log into your Dropbox account. Look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one, which is a simple process. Logging in is essential because it allows you to access your files securely. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You should now be inside your Dropbox account, ready to upload your files. Now click on the Upload button near the top of the screen. This option is typically represented by an upward arrow and is easy to spot. Clicking on this button initiates the upload process. It's important to know where this option is located, as it is the gateway to adding new files to your Dropbox. After clicking Upload, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select how you want to upload your files. From there, select the File option from the drop-down menu. This action will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your local files. It is crucial to choose the right option here because it defines where you will select the files you want to upload. You will see various options, but selecting the File option is the correct choice for this process. This step ensures that you are ready to locate your specific PowerPoint file. Next up, choose your PowerPoint file, which can be in either the .pptx or .ppt format from your computer. As you navigate through the folders, look for the presentation you wish to upload. Once you find it, click on the file to highlight it. This is an important step because selecting the correct file ensures that you upload the presentation you intend to share or store. After selecting, you will be prepared to move on to the next step of the process. After that, click Open to start the upload. This action will immediately initiate the upload process, transferring your PowerPoint file to Dropbox. You will see a progress indicator on your screen showing you how much of the file has been uploaded. This feedback is reassuring as it confirms that your file is being successfully transferred. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a notification indicating that your file is now available in your Dropbox account. By following these steps, you can efficiently upload your PowerPoint presentations to Dropbox. This method not only helps you keep your files organized, but also makes it easier to share them with others. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.